the SheTech student board. I am going to be doing an engineering / physics based mini workshop. We are going to be using paper to hold up books. This is kind of going to show you guys how something that generally isn't really considered like strong material can be used to hold up a lot more than you might expect. So we're going to need some supplies for this workshop. We're going to need 5 pieces of paper. I use printer paper. Cardstock is a little thick. It makes some of the setup a little difficult because we're going to need to fold and shape some paper in the beginning. And lined paper isn't as strong as printer paper, depending on the type you have. So I just use printer paper. It's like a happy in between. And then we're going to need something that we can put some weight, use to put weight onto the papers. So if you have textbooks, you can use those. If you just have regular reading books, you can use those. If you have weights, you can use those. You can use whatever you have at home. Generally, I'd say try to make it stackable because we are going to be putting on probably a lot more than what you guys would realize at first. So yeah, I think that's everything. Oh, you will need a scale if you want to like weigh how much the papers were able to hold. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that we need now. So let's get into it.
Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we need to fold this paper in half, hot dog style, the long way. So we're going to do that, and then once we have that done, we are going to wrap the paper so that it makes a sort of circle. And we'll need to do this 5 times. So we have 5 of these circle cylinder pieces of paper. Once you have those, you can spread them out so that there's a cylinder that would be at the corners of each of whatever your first thing is, and one in the center as well. So that just makes sure that the weight's evenly distributed. Then just stack the books and see how high you can go. The papers can hold so much weight because they're spread out and evenly distribute the weight of the books. The papers were also folded over and wrapped, making each paper more sturdy than it would be otherwise. This can be seen as like a very basic method to how we can cheaply make sturdy materials with inexpensive materials. You can mess around with your own designs when you try this and see if you can figure out a better design that can support more weight. Alright, so like you guys saw, those papers could hold a lot of books, right? So I counted them all up. In total, they were able to hold 12 sketchbooks. 12 textbooks, 4 sketchbooks, and then 12 book books, and it collapsed when I was adding a sort of binder thing with a lot of different papers in it. So in total, that's like 28 different books. The weight of all of the books that the papers supported was 56.8, and then the weight including the binder that made the papers collapse was 63.4. So those 5 papers could hold somewhere between 53.8 or 56.8 pounds and 63.4 pounds. So that's pretty impressive, right? Who knew that papers could hold that much weight, could support that much weight? So yeah, you guys can go ahead and try this. Super fun, super easy, something you can do with like the whole family. So yeah, go ahead and do it, have fun, and good luck.